Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a velocity edit on CapCut with fastest and easiest way. So tap on your project and select your video you want to edit, and here I already have a one project and how to make a velocity with fastest and easiest way. So just tap on the clip or video and then just going to style, swipe to the right. You can find the auto velocity, just tap on it to make it so simple, easiest, fastest. So just click check marks, we go. Or you can make a velocity and speed option here. Just tap on the speed button and you can select normal or curve. Just tap on curve. For instance, select this template you like, for instance, just tap on it. So you can adjust for the velocity, so up for faster and down for slower, like so. Okay, it's so simple, fastest and easiest way to create velocity edit on CapCut. So that's how to make a velocity edit on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.